Sige po, pasok po tayo, magsiksikan tayo lang ang birthday ngayon ni Boss J! Yes! Ayan, syempre, of course. Ayan, sige, ang dami. Parang pili ko mapupuno talaga ito ngayon. Diba? Magsisiksikan tayo ngayon. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, kakanta muna kami namin ng solo song. Ay, mamaya nakakanta si Raina. Oo, ng ano, dahil may performance siya mamaya. Okay. Kanta muna tayo ng mga pa-sweet muna tayo ngayon, pa-sweet.
Ano kaya ang pa-sweet yan?
Magdudubit ko na pala kami niya, no? Hindi lang na. Ito ay para sa mga taong nagmamahalan. Ayan, sino dito yung mga taong may minamahal? Ay maraming single. Ay parang pili ko ito mas marami. Sino dito yung mga tinira tas iniwan? Para po sa lahat. You know you're everything that I've been looking for. When I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for sometimes when there's no can hard to bear. And though it's all that we really you're the one to pull me through along the way. If I ever fall in love again, to let someone inside. Giving your eyes, I'm feeling ready not to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes I think this working hard to win. I know it's wrong, I feel it's wrong. You're the one to pull me through to another way. If I ever fall in love again,
I'll be a fool to ever leave you.
you're the best thing in my life. You're a good girl that is love. Happy birthday, Boss J! Magpalakpakan!
It's wrong.